Hi, welcome to my luxury beauty channel, Sharvonique Renee. I'm Renee and it is wonderful to have you here. These are 4 Chanel Les 4 Ombres eyeshadow quads that I picked up earlier in the year. These were 2 separate hauls. I believe I got these 2 in one purchase and these 2 in another purchase. All 4 of them came from Saks. I have 3 54 Warm Memories, 3 22 Blurry Grey, 2 68 Candeur et Expérience, and 3 34 Modern Glamour. I removed the quads from the box except for this one so that you can see what it looks like when you open it. I always prefer using a stick, that way I don't mess up the box. So the quads, they come in this velvet pouch, and it includes a card that gives you tips on how to do 2 different looks with the eyeshadow. This is the compact, and I have the shade here, Warm Memories. Let's remove the plastic, get a better look at the colors. It's more plum looking than I thought it would be. I thought it was like browns, but I like this. I think this will look lovely for the upcoming fall season. You can see this in, actually I see this just as a year-round palette. It's not, it's like right in the middle where it could work for any season really. Next is Candeur et Expérience. I have actually wanted this one for quite a while, and basically I purchased these quads to kind of get things off of my wish list, trying to clear it out. I wanted this one because it was Valentine's Day this year, and I wanted, you know, to create like a pink leaning makeup look. I thought I had tones like that in my Chanel collection, but apparently I did not. So I feel like I wanted to try this one. And the texture as I swatch these shades it's very silky, very finely milled. I think I was a little bit too ambitious with my swatches, and I probably will only be able to do 2 compacts at a time on one arm instead of 4. That's okay. I think the way I'm doing it will still work because the 2 that I am swatching are not necessarily similar, but you know, you can see the colored variations better side by side. This haul is part of the backlog of makeup videos I need to film. So I'm just combining as many things together as I can to speed up the process in anticipation for the new Chanel tweed eyeshadow collection that's coming out. I'm pretty sure I would want to compare some of these with those tweed palettes. So here we have Candeur at Expérience next to Warm Memories. I thought it would be more pink leaning. There is some pink, well, it's just not what I thought. This one, to my surprise, Warm Memories, is actually more pink leaning. I think in my mind it was probably reversed. I thought Candeur would be more like Warm Memories and Warm Memories would be more like Candeur. Either way, I'm still happy with both purchases. This one is Blurry Grey. I already have Blurry Green. I love that palette. That's one of my, I think one of my favorite Chanel quads. Ooh. I do intend to get Blurry Blue. I was gonna skip Blurry Mauve, but I think I will pick that one up as well. This looks great to me. Oh, interesting. That one, and you can, I think that you can see it. This gray actually has like a purple undertone to it, which surprised me. Kind of like a taupe color. Wow, that is Blurry Grey, and I made the mistake. I don't know why I put it in the center of my arm, knowing I had another quad to swatch. But you know what? This actually reminds me of two older quads that I have from Chanel. So since I already have this swatched on my arm, I'm going to grab those two and compare them. These are the two older quads that I mentioned. You can see that the pans have the previous square shape that they used to have many years ago. This one is 33 Prelude, and this one is 43 Mystery. And you can see, I'm trying to coordinate this here. Hold on. So you can see what it looks like against that. And here is Mystery. You can see Mystery is warmer toned, so it will look like it will go closer to Prelude. Here are the swatches. This is Prelude, Blurry Grey, and Mystery. The Blurry Grey, you can see it's not as shimmery or sparkly as the two older quads. There is similarities in the color tones. To me, I find it fun and interesting to see how these different quads get put together over time. What's similar, what's very different. I didn't intend to do comparison swatches in this video, but since I did, I want to circle back to Candeur et Expérience. I also have Candeur et Provocation. Provocation that is from another haul that I got from Bloomingdale's. I have not opened it or swatched it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and include it in this video because it makes more sense and I could just do a comparison. You know what? This may have been the pink one that I was thinking of. Yeah. So I think I was thinking of this one for the Valentine's Day look, not this one. This is the one. Look at that. I have already re-swatched Experience on my arm, so I'm going to apply Provocation right next to it. Wow. Yes, this is definitely the, the quad that I was thinking of. This one has me excited. It's really what I was looking for. Candeur, Provocation next to Candeur, Expérience. Very different. I'm not sure. I know that Provocation came out with another palette that was also Candeur and Seduction. They're supposed to be an extension of this one. I'm not sure how, looking at it on my arm. I did not plan to get the other palette, the Seduction palette. When I was looking at photos, it seemed like it was lighter. But you know, don't hold me to that. I may end up getting it at some point eventually. This one I just see is like a neutral, more neutral palette with a pop of red. This one is definitely the pink focused magenta fuchsia tones that I was looking for. And because my curiosity got the better of me, here is Candeur Provocation next to Warm Memories. Warm Memories is definitely more of a mauve, berry toned color scheme with a pop of peach, and Candeur Provocation is definitely more fuchsia tone. This quad is Modern Glamour. Another black and white, or gray, I'll say gray toned palette. Not like Blurry Grey at all. Blurry Grey is definitely warm toned. This one is definitely cooler tone. Modern Glamour is listed on the Chanel website as limited edition. I purchased mine from Saks, and I think it's been around for a while, so I'm not sure if the limited edition still applies. This is shimmery like the older quads. Whoa, trying to get my finger out the way. Modern Glamour can definitely create a very dramatic look with this quad. I can see it being worn for a special occasion, holiday, New Year, stuff like that. Of course, I couldn't resist comparing Blurry Grey with Modern Glamour. Blurry Grey is more matte and satin, while Modern Glamour is more shimmer. All of these quads are part of Chanel's permanent line. They are currently priced at $62 each. I think there are only 3 more quads that I would like to get from the permanent line. Those are Blurry Blue, Blurry Mauve, and Clair Obscure. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you know when a new video uploads. Also, let me know in the comments which quad you like the most. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.